GNU system, it formed a fully functioning, free operating system, GNU Linux. This was another pivotal point in the journey of open-source software. As open-source software began to gain traction, the need for a legal framework to protect the freedom of these software became evident. This led to the evolution of open-source licenses like the GNU General Public License, which set terms and conditions for the use and distribution of open-source software. Over the decades, open source has grown from a philosophical movement to a key cornerstone of the tech industry. Today, it powers everything from the smallest embedded systems to the largest supercomputers, from mobile apps to enterprise software. It's behind the scenes of our favorite websites and even in the devices we use every day. From an idea born out of a desire for freedom and collaboration, open-source software has truly evolved to become a force to reckon with in the tech industry. We've journeyed through the history and importance of open-source software. Now, what are the key points to remember? First off, open-source software has been a pivotal part of technological advancement. It's given birth to countless innovations and has allowed collaboration on a global scale, breaking down barriers and unlocking potential. Secondly, the journey of open-source software is a testament to the power of community. From its humble beginnings, it has grown and evolved, shaped by the contributions of countless individuals and organizations. Thirdly, never underestimate the impact of open-source software on the tech industry. It's not just about providing free access to software, it's about creating a more inclusive and equitable digital world. It's been the driving force behind some of the most influential tech companies and has helped shape the digital landscape as we know it. Open-source software is more than just free tech. It's the backbone of the digital world, powering innovation and collaboration. Remember, every time you use your device, you're likely benefiting from the power of open-source software.